At EPI, we teach practical exercises that replicate real-world scenarios.
A countermeasure reduces the risk to the client. One of the drills we do is cover and evacuate. It's designed to reduce the risk to the client by reducing his vulnerability.
One of the sessions that we teach here is called choreography.
For me personally, I want to be slightly to the rear and slightly to the right.
And it's a way to be able to walk with your principal, getting through doorways, on and off elevators, using escalators, to do it smoothly so you're not awkward and calling attention to yourself and the principal, but you're still in a position to be able to protect them if you have to.
If there is a threat, move your principal from the threat, not the threat from your principal.
The drills we do not only allow the trainee to learn the maneuver itself, they also allow the trainee to learn their own capabilities.